Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into another episode. Went to Raystown today, and Mikey and I put in at James Creek, planning on fishing down lake for some big smallies. They were being goofy, they weren't eating the bait right. We ended up sticking 3 or 4 of them and they popped off, so it was freezing cold and windy and about half miserable to be out on the water, so we trailered down to Shy Beaver, put in, and we got into the largemouth actually pretty good. They were chewing pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep them coming.
Got one. Oh boy. Oh, I got one in. Where at? Sorry about that. Yes. Look at that freaking chunk. Let me know when you get him out. I'll get a picture, alright? Hit spot lock quick. Dude, that is awesome.
It's like you barely hit it the first time.
Yeah.
Came back.
I had a feeling these girls were gonna be biting. $3.96, just under 4. Nice chunky, good.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture of this slob. Let me just take it on my phone and then send it to you. That's awesome. Awesome, dude. That's freaking sweet. Not a large or a spot walk right here. I got him. Nice, buddy. Cold water, largies. No. Caught an A-rig fish with the camera off. All because Mikey has to keep catching them on a jerkbait. Got one. Bring it. Yep. Show him that camera up there. It's a nice one. Something eating my A-rig. It's $2.95.
Close.
282. There he goes. Really? All I had to do is play around. Smallmouth. You can do it all today. Matter. Dude, you're freaking killing me. Kidding me. Oh my word, Nat. This is unreal. I watched him eat that at the boat. Of course, it has to be a stinking baby. He just hatched.
I thought you had a leaf or something was shaking.
I watched him just come up and go. Oh, I guess I literally just lifted up my rod and boat flipped him in. Mondo. Like, I watched him eat it and just like boat flipped him in.
Because I thought you were sitting there going like this. Another one.
Yeah. Mikey
better watch out. I'm coming back. More black spots on his tail, bud. All of them. 100%. You know it. Got him. Stick.
Oh yeah, dude, they're loaded here. They're loaded. Yeah. Oh yeah, stick. Yeah. Good chunk of fish.
Another one. He feels better. When I finally get one I can take a picture with, Mike.
Looks like it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my word.
A chunker.
Oh.
This GoPro screwed up and didn't get that. I think that one's going now. Yeah, it's going. Another one.
Is that one?
Yeah. This one here was it launched up. I mean it.
What is that?
Another one. What's that?
Oh yeah. I set the hook and he didn't move.
Go up on the front deck, take that fish off, and tell me when you're ready for a picture. I'm getting about tired of you catching them all. Him on the GoPro. He smashed it off that tree. A golden boy.